Hi guys, today in our channel we are going to see about one profit giving coin, Gate.io. Gate.io is the own coin of Gate.io exchanger. We all know Gate.io exchanger is the one of the top 10 exchanges. It was listed in 9th place. So there are more possible chances to come within top 5 exchanges. So before get into this video, I have to tell you one thing. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to share my crypto knowledge. If you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe this channel. Be crypto. Yeah, let's get into this video. So before talk about Gate.io exchanger, I am just giving one example about one exchanger, that is Binance. While listing BNB, we all know BNB is the own exchanger, own governance of Binance. So while listing BNB, all-time low is $0.09611 only. Right now, all-time high is $690. Did you imagine how much boom it has given? It just within 20 days from $45 to $345 it was raised. It had gone to the moon. The only reason behind this is, there are two reasons behind this. Really, BNB is the own governance of the Binance, and second thing is it has good fund flow. Likewise, in Gate.io also having Gate.io coin. Gate.io is the own governance of Gate.io exchanger and good fund flow. Like Binance, there are more possible ways for Gate.io to go to the moon. We are just expecting that will happen. Right now, in Binance, 25,35,000 BTC trading is happened. In Gate.io, 70,645 trading has happened. It was gradually increasing like Binance. Okay. The one common thing with Binance and Gate.io is fund flow. Right. So if fund flow is high, then the rate of the coin is so high. Okay. In Binance, they are not only following fund flow or one coin of Binance or something like that. They have another strategy to increase the demand, that is masterpiece and taker piece. So if you are buying coin in Binance without BNB, that is a fee 0.01. With BNB, you are buying coin, that is a fees 0.075 fees. Okay, so that's why more users are coming to buy the BNB constantly. That's why the BNB rate is constantly increasing. The same strategy is using in Gate.io exchanger also, masterpiece and taker piece. Not only that, gate points also. If you have gate points in Gate.io exchanger, you can discount the fees using the gate points. One gate point equal to 1 USDT. This Gate.io exchanger having one blockchain but doesn't have launchpad, but future we are expecting launchpad also will come. And Gate.io has good potential coin. So I am suggesting you, if you are buy or if you want to buy, then you can buy in this time because we have a market dam. So if you are buying more coins, then you can get more profits. And one thing, if you are a short term holder, just remember this, just wait for at least 10% profit, more than 10% profit. But if you are a long term holder, that is so good, because patience is very important in crypto. If you are a long term holder, then you can get more and more profit in this Gate.io. Just wait for that. And I'm again saying this, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just want to share my crypto knowledge. Okay. So in Binance and in Gator.io, there is another common thing is there are more coins are listing, more users are coming, then there is so much of demand. That's why these two exchanges are coming so fast. So if you want to buy coin, then it is at right time you can buy. In within 2 years, we are expecting it should need to go at least $200. It will surely go. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.